Hello, kids. Hello. Good morning. Good morning to you all. Okay, let's stand up. Everyone stand up. Okay, and let's start with our song. Okay, ready? Stand up, stand up.
Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop. Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop.
Tiptoe. So jump,
Jump,
jump, jump, jump, swimming.
swimming, 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 swimming. Now let's sleep. Now let's sleep. Wake up!
Wake up! It's time to go.
Are you ready to go
super
fast?
fast?
Okay. Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop. Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop. Whew.
We're tired. Very good, everyone. Okay, now sit down again. Let's all sit down. Okay? Let's all sit down. Okay. Very good. How are you guys today? How are you? Me? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you sleepy? Are you angry? Are you hungry? Are you disgusted? Me? I'm good. Yes, me, I'm good. Okay, now, today, what's the weather like? What's the weather like? Now, it's a little sunny, but before it wasn't sunny. It was a very, very strange weather. Very, very strange weather. Okay? Yes, it was very, very strange. Let's see this weather. Okay? Let's see this weird weather. Okay. Now, look at this. What is this? What is this? Look. Look. You can't see anything. No, we can't see anything. It's foggy. Foggy. Yes, the weather is foggy. Foggy. You can't see everything. What color? What color is this fog? What color is it? It's gray. Yes, it's gray. It's gray. Not that nice, but foggy. Foggy. Repeat. Foggy. Foggy. And it's gray. Unfortunately, when the weather is gray, we're a little sad. Okay? Yes. Now, I wanted to show you the let's repeat our parts of the day. Okay, remember? Do you remember the parts of the day? Good morning, good afternoon. Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Remember? Okay, now let's review those again. Okay? Let's review them again. Now, let's do these. Okay? Now, where is this? Okay, let's find those out. Okay. Okay, let's start. What's this? What's this? This is morning. Yes, see? Morning. Morning. It's morning. Okay? When it's morning, the sun, when it's morning, the sun, this is the sun wakes up. The sun wakes up. Yes, very good. When it's morning, the sun wakes up. Then we have now what happens? Look, the sun is up. It's right on top of us, okay? When the sun is up, what is it called? What is this called? It's afternoon. 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 When the sun is up, it's afternoon. Very good. Okay. Then, what do we have next? See? Now, where's the sun? The sun is going to sleep. Yes, look, the sun is setting. Sunset. This is the sunset. Okay? And the sun is going night-night. It's going to sleep. It's going down. And this is the evening. 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 Very good. Evening. Finally, what happens? Finally, the moon comes out, and we have night. We have the night. See? Night. We have the night. So, when the sun okay, so when the sun is waking up, it's morning. Then, when the sun is up, we have afternoon. When the sun goes to sleep, it's evening. And finally, when the moon comes out, it's night. Time for us to go to sleep. Very good. Very good. So, when the sun wakes up, morning. When the sun is up, afternoon. When the sun goes to sleep, evening. And when the moon comes out, it's night. Very good. Very, very good. Okay? Now, let's do our colors. Okay? Now, let's do our colors. Oh, look at this. What color is it? It's red. 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 Very good. Now, let's see the bunny. The rabbit. Let's see. What color is this? orange. Orange. Who is this? This is a squirrel, I think. It's a little strange. It's yellow. Yellow. Who is this little guy? Let's see. I think he's a hedgehog. No, porcupine. Porcupine. What color is he? Green. Yes, green. The bear. Now we have the bear. Let's see. What color is a bear? It's blue. Yes, it's blue. See? Blue. Good job. Now? Okay, now. What is this? This is a fox. Fox. What color is a fox? Look. What color is this? It's pink. 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 Okay. Now okay. Now it's pink. Who is this? This is a sheep. Sheep. What color is a sheep? What color is this? It's black. Black. See? Black. Black. Very good, everyone. What color is this? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, and black. Good job, everyone. Guys, now let's do the numbers, okay? Now, okay? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now we have to count super fast, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. One more time. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, very, very slow. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, one more time with the song, okay? Okay. Now, count with me from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very good, 15. Okay, guys, we are finished. I will see you. I will send another video tomorrow. Bye-bye, kids. Bye. Bye.